Yes, I'm ready. What are we cooking today? We will make fresh vegetable soup for lunch. Should I cut the onion too? Yes, but be careful with the knife. The pepper smells so good.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lena Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about being in the kitchen. Good English helps us talk about food, cooking, and daily life. This conversation will help you learn new kitchen words and practice speaking English. So, let's get started.
Good morning, Sarah. Ready to help in the kitchen?
Good morning, Mom.
Yes, I'm ready. What are we cooking today? We will make fresh vegetable soup for lunch.
Yum! I love soup.
First, please wash the carrots and tomatoes.
Okay, should I cut the onion too?
Yes, but be careful with the knife.
Don't worry, Mom. I will cut slowly.
Good girl. Put the big pot on the stove, please.
Here it is. The pot is clean.
Great. Add 4 cups of water.
4 cups? Is that enough for everyone?
Yes, that's enough. We also have bread to eat with the soup.
Nice! I like bread with warm soup.
Now add a little salt and some pepper.
The pepper smells so good.
Yes, but not too much. A small spoon only.
I almost put too much.
Careful, Sarah.
Mom, can we add some garlic?
Good idea. Garlic makes the soup tasty.
I love the smell of garlic.
Me too. Please peel 3 cloves.
Done. Anything else?
Cut the carrots into small pieces.
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Mom, is chocolate good for dinner?
Chocolate is tasty, but not for dinner.
I knew you would say that.
We can eat chocolate after lunch as a small treat.
Yay!
Sarah, do you know which food is not good for health?
Maybe too much fried food?
Yes, and too much sugar.
So we should eat more vegetables, right?
Exactly. Vegetables are healthy and full of vitamins.
What about fruit? Should we cook it?
Some fruit can be cooked, like apples in pie, but many fruit are better fresh.
I like fresh fruit. Mango is my favorite.
Mine too.
I want to learn how to fry fish next time.
Sure, but today is soup day.
Okay, Mom. The kitchen smells so nice.
Yes, our soup will be ready in about 10 minutes.
Can I stir the soup?
Of course, use the long spoon.
It looks beautiful with all the colors.
Food looks good when it is fresh.
I can't wait to eat.
We will eat soon. Thank you for helping me today.
I like cooking with you, Mom. It's fun.
I love cooking with you too, Sarah.
That was today's Happy Kitchen Conversation. Did you learn new food words or kitchen phrases? Please write your answer in the comments and share your favorite food to cook. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos.